welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making a plantain pie. So here I have some boiled plantains with some pimentos. I am now going to add 3 tablespoons of onion powder to this, also 3 tablespoons of garlic powder, and you will need 2 tins of evaporated milk. So I'm just going to mash everything together, and you can always taste at this point for more seasoning if you like. I'm also going to add some cheese to this. You can totally leave out the cheese at this point and just add it at the top of the pie, but I like to add some cheese into it because I like my pies very cheesy. So I'm going to continue mixing this and mashing until everything is well mashed and all mushy. You can leave little chunks if you like, but I prefer it to be smooth. So now I'm going to pour this out into my baking dish, and my baking dish isn't greased. I just poured it out in there, and now I'm topping it off with some cheese. My oven is already being preheated at 350 degrees, and I'm just going to pop this into the oven and allow it to bake until it is nice and golden brown. So I'm pressing in the cheese here so I have an even layer of cheese throughout the pie. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try, and if you do, let me know down in the comment below. And also, if there's any videos that you would like to see, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll be glad to upload those videos for you. So remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So this is our final product here, and thank you guys for watching.